Trinidadian company Davis Ecolife Limited has to repay $6.1 million to Guyana's National Data Management Authority, NDMA, following a judgment handed down by High Court Judge Gino Persad. In 2018, the NDMA contracted the company to provide two prefabricated enclosures, otherwise called ecopods, to house information and communication technology hubs. The agreed price for the pods was US $66,941, and in January 2019, a deposit of US $28,449, or 6.15 million Guyana dollars, was paid to the company by wire transfer. Although the agreement between Ecolife and the NDMA had a completion date of January 25, 2019, the company failed and/or neglected to perform the contract in accordance with the agreed completion date. Now, with this judgment, the Attorney General has assured that the ruling is enforceable in the sister CARICOM territory and can result in the company's assets being seized and given to the Guyanese authority if they fail to pay.
Many persons have asked me, how is it that we will recover this judgment if the company has no assets in Guyana? Well, the law provides for judgments granted in one country to be registered and enforced in another country.
Notwithstanding, the Attorney General said the Guyana government will move to table in the National Assembly soon a modern reciprocal enforcement of foreign judgments bill.
The reciprocal enforcement of foreign judgments. That is the legislation that allows judgments from one country to be enforced in another country. And once that company has assets in that country, then you recover the proceeds of your judgment in the same way as if the company had assets in the country in which the judgment was granted. Of course, our legislation in that regard is archaic, and as I said, we are taking a new, updated one to the Parliament. But currently, our law permits us to enforce this judgment in Trinidad.
The judgment against Ecolife was granted after they failed to return the deposit in December 2021. After the deposit was not returned, court proceedings against the company were initiated. For the newsroom, Campbell.